Hi, I'm Annie from PRATIC. Here is our CNC machine workshop. As we know, tool cutter plays a special and important role in processing jobs. We have to prepare all cutters before machine. Look, here are some tool cutters. Normally, we will choose different tool cutters with a variety of product material and techniques. But how to select a tool cutter according to the flute count? Look at this one. Single flute will have more chip space, good for chip removal. And those a high number of flutes increases the strength of the tool and reduce space or chip flow. How many flutes does it take to cut aluminum? Traditionally, single or two flutes and mill have been the perfect choices to aluminum or PVC material because they are soft with a low melting point. The chip will be easier to stick to mill cutter. Less flute mill cutter are better for chip removal. For 3 flute and 4 flute tool cutter, they are good for machining steel and hard alloy. They have higher cutting pressure, shoot for heavy-duty processing. Now, let's have a look at this video. In addition to flute count, the color of the tool surface is also different. Look at this one. What is special about it? Choosing a perfect tool is an acknowledge. Please give me a like and keep an eye on me. Next time, I will show you the cutting tools in different materials.